How would you place these objects in order from having the fewest stars to having the most stars? Galaxy, solar system, universe. What ideas would your students need to understand in order to answer this question correctly? 12th grader Martin has taken concepts he has learned about the solar system and applied them to a larger model of our universe.
6 or 7. If you were to look at the universe, you'd see thousands of little dots, which are actually suns, and they have a sun is their own galaxy, and then inside each galaxy there's planets and there's comets, asteroids, there's all kinds of debris inside. So if I was to do it in scale, you have a sun, and then you have all the planets surrounding it. The sun is basically the star of our galaxy. In the big picture, that's just one tiny little piece of the huge universe where there's thousands of other suns that have planets around them. Each galaxy has one sun, and then our galaxy has our sun and then 9 planets surrounding it, and we haven't searched the other galaxies because we don't have the technology, so there could be 50 planets surrounding the sun in that galaxy. We don't know yet, but we're pretty sure that there's other planets similar to ours. So it's probably safe to say that the individual suns that make up the other galaxies could have similar planets, maybe to even Earth, which accounts for the explanation of that there could be life on other planets.
Martin's model of our universe is filled with stars that have orbiting planets. He incorrectly calls these solar system structures galaxies, and does not indicate that our universe has any larger structures like a true galaxy. While Martin confuses galaxies with solar systems, his model does demonstrate conceptual understanding about how structures form in our universe.
The reason that it's called a galaxy is because there's the sun in the center of it. Each one has its own star, and that star has a large amounts of gravity, which is like a pull that keeps. For example, if we were to say that this was our planets, that's how, like Mercury and Earth and Mars, they stay in line, and they don't just float off into the universe, into space, because the sun is pulling on them with a force of gravity. So there's actually the sun in each galaxy is pulling on the planets or the things that surround it, but in all the while, the suns themselves are being pushed outward, and the universe is expanding.
Martin's model demonstrates an understanding of gravity as the force that creates structure in our universe. But he inaccurately mentions stars rather than galaxies as moving away from one another as our universe expands. In order for Martin to develop a deeper understanding of the structure and evolution of our universe, he needs to grapple with the idea that gravity acts on much larger scales than that of orbiting planetary systems. An understanding of galaxies as vast gravity-bound systems of billions of stars would help him better understand our expanding universe. Many of the students we interviewed had difficulty with the relationship between a solar system, a galaxy, and our universe. In our sample of 8th to 12th graders, only 42% could place these 3 items in the correct order, from having the fewest stars to the most.